the land of the rising sun. Anybody who knows me a little bit knows that Japan has a special place in my heart because it's definitely one of the most inspiring places I ever visited and lived in. So if you're here because you want to travel in Japan and know more about Japan, I think this video will help you. If you're here because you just love filmmaking, maybe it will inspire you to go and shoot there. If you're just watching this video because of my wonderful English accent, keep in mind that my accent is probably even worse when I speak Japanese. Nihongo wa muzukashi desu kara. And finally, if you don't care about Japan, just skip this video and check the other one I've created before. So to my dear 27 followers, here are the 3 reasons why Japan inspired me so much to be a filmmaker, and actually the 3 reasons why I love Japan so much. Perfectionism, attention to details. Japan is all about details. Any video, any picture you take there, anything you see is full of details. It can be a small shop you will enter in. It would be a restaurant hidden in a street, in a small alley. You will see people spending so much time doing small things. Everything is full of details. So sometimes it even looks like everywhere you go in the country, it looks perfect but unnatural. The downside of this perfectionism for me is that everything you see looked like humanity shaped it. The second reason why I love Japan so much, it's because it feels like it's an unexplored country. I know. By definition, Japan is probably the opposite of an unexplored country. And that's true if you go in Kyoto, in Tokyo, in Hiroshima, in all these main cities. But all the tourists in Japan are regrouped in the same spot. Which means that as soon as you go a little outside of this big famous spot, this country looks totally unexplored. And finally, the third reason why you definitely should visit Japan is because Japan is so cinematic. If you go to Shinjuku one day, you just enter this small street, memory lane. It's a small area, really narrow, and you are in a different place. You don't remember that you are in Tokyo. There is so many different atmosphere you can find there. As soon as the sun sets and all the lights turn on, you feel like Japan is a giant film set. Totally, entirely, incredibly cinematic. So these were the 3 reasons why Japan inspired me so much to be a filmmaker, the 3 reasons why I love Japan so much, and the 3 reasons why you should definitely visit Japan in your life. As usual, it was really nice to have you. Don't hesitate to like, share and comment the video if you liked it. Click the subscribe button if you didn't click it yet. Merci beaucoup, salut, and see you in the next video.